y'all. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this look right here. It's very, I don't know, I was feeling the vibes of this, so this is what I came up with, and actually I love it. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep watching. Before we go ahead and get on into the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to click the little bell so you guys will be notified the next time I upload. Please give this video a like if you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below, even if it's just to say hi, even if it's just like an emoji, even if it's just something. Leave a comment down below, and let's just go ahead and get on with this tutorial. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows. I did them with the ABH Dip Brow in medium brown. I carved out my eyebrows and I set my lids and prepped them with concealer. I used the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in light beige to carve them out and set my eyes. I used the Morphe M421 brush to carve out my brows, and then I just used my Royal and Nickel Precision Angled brush to kind of go ahead and blend the concealer all over my lid. And then to set my eyes, I used the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in 001 translucent, or not translucent, transparent. I went ahead and I used that powder to set all over my eyelids, and I just used this is the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation Brush to set my eyelids. So now we are ready for eyeshadow application. I am going to be going in with the Jeffree Star X Morphe brushes. This is the JS5. And I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I did not have any of the colors that I wanted to use for this look. Well, the mint color. And any of the palettes that I own. So I'm just going to be using the palette for this eyeshadow look. I know there's a lot of controversy on here about him and his products, and if you support him or don't, or you know, whatever the case may be. I got this in one of his mystery boxes a while ago, so I'm not just gonna throw away his makeup because it is pretty expensive. I don't really buy anything from his brand anymore. I have not used this. I have not used this on my channel at all whatsoever, and I want to play around with it, so we're using this today. I am going to go in with the shade called Celebrity Skin, which is this brown right here. That is the shade I'm going to be getting, and I'm going to be putting it all over my crease. I'm going to get this She Makeup blending brush, and I'm going to get the James Charles X Morphe palette. I have the mini one, and I'm going to be going in with the shade T, which is this brown. Let me see if I get it. This brown that's up here. This one right here. I'm going to be adding this into the crease as well, just to go ahead and deepen it up just a little bit. After that, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm going to go with the same Morphe M421 brush and the same concealer I used to carve out my brows. So I'm going to use the same concealer to cut the crease. So after the crease is cut, I'm going to go back in with the Blue Blood palette. I'm going to go in with this Moda shade brush, and I'm going to be going in with the color Minty, which is the mint color that's in here. And we're just going to go ahead and put this all over the lid. After that, I'm going to go back in with the Morphe and James Charles palette. I'm going to go in with this She Makeup blending brush. I'm going to go back in with the same shade T from the palette. Tap off the excess. I'm going to go ahead and add this to the outer V. So after that is done, now we're going to add the glitter liner on top. I'm going to be going in with this LA Splash Cosmetics. This is the Pro Artist Waterproof Body Art Liner. This is in glitter gold. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the glitter liner on top. Okay, so after that is on and it dries, now we're going to go ahead and do lashes. I'm going to go in with the Revlon So Fierce Big Bad Lash Mascara. And then I'm going to go in with my House of Lashes eyelash adhesive. These Eylure London Luxe Silk Marquise style lashes. And then once all of that is on, I'll be right back so we can go ahead and start the face. Okay, so lashes are on. I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. That's what it looks like. I think everybody knows what it looks like. I'm going to be going in with this little spatula. So I go ahead and put it all over my face because I have nails. And digging my nails in here isn't the best option right now with my long nails. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here first, and then I'll go ahead and blend it out. And then foundation, today I'm going to be using the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation in the color Warm Vanilla. And then I'm going to be using the Billion Dollar Brushes Concealer Brush to go ahead and cover up my brows. Using the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. It's my favorite sponge ever. And then for concealer, we're going to be going in with one of my favorites as well, the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Light Beige. So I'm going to go ahead and do all that. We're going to go ahead and speed the whole process up, and then we'll be right back to go ahead and set the rest of the face. And then to set my face, I'm going to be going in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in 001 Transparent. I'm going to go back in with the Morphe and James Charles palettes. I'm going to go in with this Lavish pencil brush. And I'm going to go back in with the shade T, and I'm just going to go ahead and run that shade on the bottom lower lash line. Bronze up the face really quick. I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is in the color Bronzer. This is one of my favorite drugstore bronzers. I dropped it the other day and it broke on me, but there's still product in there, so hopefully it doesn't break anymore. I'm going to go with the e.l.f. Small Tapered Brush, and we're going to go ahead and bronze up the face. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Moda Blush Brush and the Milani. This is the Romantic Rose Powder Blush. Highlighter, I'm going to be going in with the Royal Atlantico Highlight and Glow Brush and the ColourPop highlighter in Lunch Money. Oh, I actually forgot to set my face. Let me go ahead and set my face first. I'm going to go in with this one. This is the Tarte Stay Spray. I'm going to set my face really quick. I'm going to go ahead and set my brows. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you guys all in my next one.